In front of me is ULEFONE Note 7P, and let me show you how to stop day and time on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select System, and go to day and time. And here you can either have an automatic day and time, and it can be network or GPS provided time. Just pick it and then everything will be set up automatically, or you can switch it off and set date and time manually by yourself. So from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can also use automatic time zone, or you can turn it off and then pick time zone from the following list. At first you need to reach some particular region, and then time zone if available. And also you can change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or 12-hour format clock. So it's up to you. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.